Hello everyone, friends, I'm Waller. Today I'll show you how to download and install shaders for Minecraft 1 21.6. First, we need shaders. I'll choose complementary shaders for this. Go to Forge, click on the file and download for our version 1 21.6. As you can see, this version is in the list. Click the download button and wait 5 seconds. Next we need Iris Shaders, the shaders installer. Go to the site, click on the Universal Java file, open it, and select version 1, 21.6 for my video. If it's not listed, that means you already have it installed. Or you can choose a version 1 lower or higher. Now click Install. Here select Iris only. Yes, Minecraft directory, and we're ready. Next, open the launcher and wait. Here's our build, already on 1, 21.8. Yes, but you should choose one, 21.6 for your version. Okay? To install shaders, go to the installation and click where Iris Sodium is. Yes? Click Folder. There. And here in the Shader Pack folder, drop in our shader pack that I just downloaded, which disappeared somewhere. Here it is. Just drop it into this folder, done. And then in the game, you can turn it on. This has been Waller. Goodbye, everyone.